is concerned. So it might be last winter, and it has indeed been mild and very wet, fairly sunny too, and 6 out of the last 7 winters have also been very mild. Now Aberdeen has certainly suffered recently. They've had a very wet February, 2.5% of their average, and it's been very dull as well. And they've not done very well today either, because as you can see here on the radar, they've kept a little sort of pocket of rain across Aberdeen and Peterhead right the way through the day, and now you see to the west there's some more rain beginning to push in. And that's not only affecting western Scotland, it stretches right the way down the western side of the country. Fairly heavy rain in places as well, and there's a band of cloud with it, although the cloud across central and eastern areas does have 1 or 2 breaks at the moment. It's all due to this frontal system. It's going to be pushing across the whole country, introducing milder weather to all parts, even at long last to Shetland. So for this evening we're going to find that wet weather moving further into western parts of the country, and then during the rest of the night that's going to march on eastwards. It will be preceded by some snow over those northern hills. Now the problem with those northern hills is that there's about a foot of snow lying there at the moment, and as that rain comes along and it turns milder, it will thaw quite quickly, and that could well cause some local flooding. Temperatures at their lowest in eastern parts to begin with, and in western parts as skies clear later on in the night. And then tomorrow, well, to begin with, there'll still be some rain, I think, in southeastern parts. That will move away. Might be rather cloudy in the extreme south of the country, perhaps with a spot or 2 of rain near to the Channel, and certainly some rain in the Channel Islands. But that apart, a bright day virtually everywhere. A scattering of showers. Most of the showers, I think, in northwestern areas, where some could end up fairly heavy, and they'll turn back wintry over those northern hills. But it is going to be a milder day virtually everywhere. Temperatures around about 9 or 10 degrees just about everywhere. Moving into Thursday, well, Thursday again another fairly showery day, but quite mild, fairly reasonable temperatures. The showers scattered around in northern and western areas to begin with, but I think they'll sort of merge together and then march across the rest of the country during the second part of the day. We are now, though, getting into a fairly unsettled patch of weather, so we're just north. There will be some wet weather coming later on.